Hey, what's going on, guys? Let's do the partial fraction decomposition for this expression right here. And if you look at this, the denominator is already in the factored form, so we don't have to do anything. All we have to do is pick up three values like a, b, c, and separate this one into three parts. So let's do this. So if we do that, I will get a over one of these denominator, that is x minus 1, plus b over x plus 1, and then c over x plus 4. So I separate this one into three parts, and the next thing we try to eliminate this denominator. To do that, what I can do, I can multiply both sides by this whole thing. So if I multiply this one by x minus 1, x plus 1, x plus 4, I have to do the same thing to the other side. X minus 1, x plus 1, x plus 4. So in this case, if I do that this side, I will cancel these two things, and the other side, what's going to happen is we are going to cancel one of these, and the other two is going to be in the numerator, right? So let's simplify this one. So therefore 4x plus 9 is going to be equal to a times, we are going to cancel x minus 1, and the thing left is x plus 1 and x plus 4, and the other one is going to be b times x plus 1 cancels, and we will be left with x minus 1, x plus 4. And the third one is going to be c, and here we are going to cancel x plus 4, we are going to be left with x minus 1, x plus 1, right? And this is our new expression. So from this, we can do one thing, like we have to pick up the x values nicely that can eliminate two of the other things and keep only one thing. So first of all, if I think about this, if I pick minus 1, I can eliminate two of these, and if I plug minus 4, x is equal to minus 4, I can eliminate these two things, and if I pick x is equal to 1, I can eliminate these two things and find the other things, right? So we have to think about x values and pick up the x values. That's the main thing. So we have three x values right here. Now all we have to do is one by one and find all the values. So let's pick up x minus 1 first. So if we pick up x minus 1 first, what's going to happen is we are going to have 4 times minus 1 plus 9. And here in the other side, if I plug x minus 1 in this function, minus 1 plus 1 is going to be 0. So the whole thing is going to be 0. So a times 0 plus b is going to have minus 1, and here we are going to have minus 1 plus 4, and for the c, if I plug this one, will become 0, so the whole thing is going to be 0 because minus 1 plus 1, 0, right? So this is going to be c times 0. So from this one we can find the b value. So let's figure it out. So this is going to be minus 4 plus minus 4, I don't know, this bracket doesn't exist. Okay, minus 4 plus 9, and here we are going to have minus 2 times plus 3, that's going to be minus 6. So minus 6 times b. Here we are going to have 5, and here we are going to have minus 6b, and that gives us b is equal to minus 5 over 6, right? So we found out b right now. Now we have to find out a and the c. So let's see how we can do this. So we found out b right here. I'm going to use the same equation. So to find the other values, let's go for the x is equal to minus 4 and see what we left with. So if I apply this x is equal to minus 4, we are going to have 4 times minus 4 plus 9, and then here we are going to have, this one is going to be 0, minus 4 plus 4, 0, right? A times 0, and here we are going to have 0 again, b times 0, and then c is going to be c times minus 4 minus 1 times minus 4 plus 1, and here we are going to have minus 4 minus 1 minus 5. here we are going to have minus 3, so minus 5 times minus 3 plus 15. So 15c is equal to minus 4 times minus 4 minus 16 plus 9. It's gonna be minus 7. So minus 7 is equal to 15c. Therefore c is gonna be equal to minus 7 over 15. So we have the c value right now. Then we have to find the a value. So to find the a value, I plug the x is equal to 1. Let's use a different color. So here I pick this color right here. Okay, blue. Okay, I'm going to use the same equation. X is equal to 1. Sorry. So we have 4 times 1 right here plus 9 plus 9, and then that is equal to so plus 1, we have a is going to be there, so this is going to be 1 plus 1 plus 4, and here b is going to be 0 because 1 minus 1 0, the whole thing will become 0, b times 0. Then c is going to be also 0 because 1 minus 1 0, and the whole thing is going to be 0. So this is going to be c times 0. So we only left with a. So this is going to be 4 plus 9, that is 13. And the other side we are going to have 2 times 5, that's going to be 10. So 10 is equal to 13. Therefore a is equal to 13 by 10, and that is the answer. Then now we can write our partial fraction. Our partial fraction is going to be, we have to plug these values in this expression right here. That's going to be 13 over 10. 13 over 10 x minus 1 plus b value minus 5 over 6. 5 over 6 x plus 1 plus c value is minus 7 over 15 over x plus 4. So this is our partial fraction decomposition, right? This is our partial fraction right here. So this is our final answer, and that's how it's done. I hope you guys liked this video. See you next time.